Welcome iPix viewers. Take a look at your phone. It's likely a mosaic of icons, a digital library of single-purpose tools we've been trained to download, manage and navigate for over a decade. We tap to order food, swipe to book a ride, and pinch to check the weather. Each app is a separate silo, a walled garden of functionality. But what if this entire model, the very foundation of our digital lives, is about to be completely upended? This is why you might need to stop downloading apps. A new paradigm is emerging, one that promises to replace this cluttered screen with a single intelligent interface. The future isn't about more apps, it's about intelligent agents. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a proactive autonomous personal assistant that lives on your device. It's not just a chatbot that answers questions, it's a do-bot that takes action on your behalf. Instead of you having to open multiple apps to complete a task, you simply tell the agent what you want, and it orchestrates the entire process for you, navigating different services and platforms behind the scenes. You're already familiar with the early versions of this concept. Asking Siri to set a timer, or telling Alexa to play a song are basic agent-like actions. But the new generation of AI agents is vastly more powerful. They can understand complex, multi-step commands, learn your preferences over time, and execute tasks that currently require significant manual effort. They are designed to be the ultimate digital chore runners. Why is this monumental shift happening right now? It's a perfect storm of technological convergence. First, the underlying large language models, the brains of these agents, have become exponentially more capable. They can now reason, plan, and understand nuanced human language with incredible accuracy. Second, the cost of running these powerful models has been plummeting, making them economically viable for mass-market applications. And third, companies are rapidly building the connective tissue, the APIs and integrations, that allow these agents to securely plug into the digital services we use every day, from airlines to banks to e-commerce stores. The era of siloed apps is being challenged by a new philosophy of seamless integration. Let's make this real. Imagine telling one AI to plan a trip. You don't open a dozen browser tabs. You just say, find me a weekend trip to Lisbon next month, non-stop flights for two, under $1,500 total, and book a boutique hotel near the city center with good reviews. The agent gets to work. It scours flight aggregators, cross-references your calendar, reads hotel reviews, and presents you with a complete bookable itinerary for approval. With one confirmation, it executes the bookings. Imagine telling one AI to book tickets, or consider a common frustration, getting a refund for a faulty product. Instead of navigating customer service websites and filling out forms, you just forward the receipt to your agent and say, "This was defective, please get me a refund." Imagine telling one AI to handle refunds. The agent initiates the return process, communicates with the vendor, and tracks the refund status, notifying you only when the money is back in your account. What about tedious financial admin? Imagine telling one AI to summarize receipts from a business trip, categorizing them for your expense report automatically. The agent can perform all these tasks across services in seconds. This is the core power of this technology. AI agents automate workflows. They do this because AI agents connect tools that were previously separate. And most importantly, AI agents learn your preferences, getting smarter and more personalized with every interaction. The benefits are obvious: immense convenience, time savings, and a massive reduction in cognitive load. But this shift also raises critical questions. Entrusting a single entity with so much access requires an unprecedented level of trust. How do we ensure our data is private and secure? What happens if an agent makes a mistake, like booking the wrong flight or sharing sensitive information? And how much control are we willing to give up for the sake of convenience? These are not just technical hurdles, but profound ethical and societal challenges that developers and users must navigate together. The future of agents depends on building systems that are not only capable, but also transparent, reliable, and firmly under user control. So, how can you start exploring this future today? The first wave of AI agents is already here, integrated into platforms you might already use like Rabbit R1, or emerging through specialized startups. When you try them, start small. Grant permissions carefully, just as you would with any app. Begin with low-stakes tasks, like searching for information across multiple sources or summarizing articles. Pay close attention to the permissions you grant. An agent that plans your travel will need access to your calendar and payment methods, but it doesn't need access to your contacts or photos. Treat an agent's permissions like a security checklist, enabling only what is necessary for the task at hand. As these agents become more integrated, single-purpose apps become clunky relics. Why download, install, and update a separate airline app, hotel app, and car rental app when one agent can manage all three? The friction of the old way becomes glaringly obvious. This transition won't happen overnight, but it will be fast. In the near term, we'll see a hybrid model. Expect most apps to be wrapped by smarter agents soon. You'll still have the apps, but you'll interact with them less and less directly. The agent will become the primary interface, the universal translator and operator for your entire digital world. Within the next few years, the very concept of opening an app might feel as dated as dialing a rotary phone. We are at the dawn of a new computing era, moving from a graphical user interface to a conversational, intent-driven interface. The clutter of icons will be replaced by the clarity of conversation. Ready to stop tapping and start telling?